Yo, Bacon, say what's up to my YouTube channel. Bacon. Come on. Too damn big, bro.
What's going on YouTube? It's your boy John B. Come back to you guys with a brand new haircut tutorial. Here I'm doing a bald fade comb over on my boy Ricky. So I'm just starting off with combing the hair out. I like to do that before I start any haircut, just to comb it out and get all the tangled hair out. Next I work on the top. I spray some water on there. Take off a good amount. He comes to me maybe every 3 weeks, so we take a good amount off of there. Next I like to go with a number 4 for his haircut because he doesn't really like the flap on that comb over. So I usually go with a number 4 to shave that down. Next I go with the Wahl Cordless Seniors to make my first guideline. I'm using it because it's more zero gap than my Oster Fast Feeds that I'm going to be using later. But here I like to start it off with my Seniors all the way closed, and then I pull out my anti outliner and I go right below that to take off all that hair. And if you guys are wondering, my outliners are sharpened, that's why it takes off the hair so easily. Next I go with my Andis shaver. This honestly is my favorite shaver and it's pretty cheap. It's the most standard one. I used to use the Wahl shaver a lot, but I feel like this is just a big upgrade since they came out. So for all your new barbers out there, this is a good shaver to start off with and just keep within your career. So next I'm going to use my Oster Fast Feeds. These are modified and sharpened. I got them from Barber Supply 562. It did take a while for them to come in, but they're finally here and I honestly love them. They cut really clean and they're they come zero gap. So I'm going to start with my first guideline all the way open. And I make his guidelines a little bigger because he does like a kind of higher blend. So I make his guidelines bigger than usual. And here I'm gonna erase that bottom line by starting with the clipper closed and slowly opening it. You can see that I pull the lever a little more open, then bring it back down. The higher you go, just don't pass that first top guideline. Next I'm gonna go with the number 2 close, and then I'm gonna work my way down till I hit that bottom guideline. So I'm gonna go with the 2 and then a 1 open, then a 1 closed, and then a half guard open, then close. And after that, it's just gonna be touch-up work with the corner after that. So after removing that line right there and using the corner, touching it up, I'm gonna pull out my Slimline Pro LIs. These are my hitters, and I'm gonna slowly line him up. This isn't the final lineup, it's just like a pre-lineup I like to do. Make it pop a little more, save you some extra time. And the hair grippers I'm using are the Barber Sign Productions by Ty Barber Sign. You can get it on richbarber.com. But there's a lot of brands that are actually coming out with so many different hair grippers. You can honestly find them anywhere, on Amazon, Instagram. So if you guys are wondering, that's where I got mine at. So here I'm gonna be doing the same exact steps, so I'm gonna fast forward this a little faster just so you guys can just walk through it. Next, I'm gonna straight razor him. I'm using a Parker razor. You can get it on Amazon as well. It's about $25 to $30. It's a really good razor because it's heavy and there's more stability to it. And for the blades I'm using here are Astra blades. You can get those on Amazon as well. They're white and green and they're really sharp. I used to use Derby, but I kind of got over it. So those are the blades I'm using. Getting those extra hairs sticking out and prepping for the blow dry. So here I'm just blow drying his hair in the direction it's gonna be styled. I'm just using Eco Gel, regular gel. All gel works in my opinion. Doesn't really matter what kind of, like, you don't need no high brand gel to make it look good. And I use this comb right here. I honestly don't know what it's called, but you can get it anywhere at Sally's usually. But it's a really good, it has really good width between the teeth, so it'll make it, give it a little nice texture to it. So that's the end to the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm coming out with a new video tomorrow. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'm out.